When the true nature of the fundamentals is known, the nature of gravity becomes quite obvious. So, with a quick review of the fundamentals, I will get right to it. In every part of this series, I have stated that at the fundamental level, energy can only take three forms. First is the energy ocean. It fills the immensity of space. It is comprised of photons of light, which is entirely a particle phenomenon. Secondly, atoms, indeed all particles, are tiny tornadoes of energy, spun from the photons of light that make up the energy ocean. Different sizes and shapes of tornadoes represent the various elements. And third, our velocity through the energy ocean keeps our tiny atomic tornadoes spinning, like a pinwheel held outside the window of a moving automobile. There are no other forms of energy at the fundamental level, and no particles have any other form than that of a tiny energy tornado. To understand gravity, we just need to mention a couple of obvious characteristics of tornadoes. First of all, they are well known for drawing surrounding material into their ferocious spins. At the fundamental level, the energy ocean is the only material available, so imagine an atomic tornado drawing in lots of photons from the energy ocean into its spin. The c-square velocity for the tornado through the energy ocean keeps the atom spinning, but it also makes it vibrate like a flag waving in a breeze. That vibration causes the trailing tip of the tornado to snap off and fly away in a somewhat random direction. This is an electron. Now, this process creates a region of low energy pressure around the atom. When two atoms are in close proximity, the energy pressure in the region between them becomes increasingly low. As a result, a higher pressure on the opposite sides of the atoms tends to push the atoms together. Gravity is a pushing force, prompted by the natural tendency of the atomic tornadoes to absorb large volumes of photon energy from the region surrounding it and compressing it into small, tightly wound electrons, then sending the electrons flying away while occupying very little space. If you multiply this simple explanation by the billions of atoms making up each of the stars and planets, then you have an explanation of celestial gravity. All of the remote forces are energy pressure related. However, magnetics and electrostatics require a bit more explanation.